Look at Steffi go! Yeah. She can do a 2-foot spin. She's so good. Show me your crossover, Steph. Keep your arms out. Look at her go. Oh, careful.
I saved it.
She's so good. We call her a lefty because she's better at one side than the other. She's better on that side. Actually, that's righty, by the way. What you just spinned was righty. But the other times you were spinning better lefty. See, that's righty. Or lefty, I mean.
That's the lefty.
It's kind of weird when you spin to your right, you're lefty.